In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relationships in ClickUp. Relationships are a powerful way to connect related work together so your tasks don't live in isolation. They help you see dependencies, related items, or anything that should move in sync, all without jumping between different spaces or lists. Let's start inside your ClickUp workspace. First, open the list where your task lives. This might be inside a particular team space or project area, but the idea is the same. Navigate to the list view that contains the task you want to connect. Once you're in that list, locate the specific task you want to work with and open it. I'll use a simple example task called Task 1, but this can be any task in your own setup. When the task window opens, look for the section labeled Relationships. This is usually in the task's sidebar or near the other task details like assignees, due dates, and custom fields. Go ahead and click on Relationships to expand that panel. If you've never used it before, it may look fairly empty, and that's completely normal. Now we're going to link this task to another task. Inside the Relationships panel, click on the option that says Link Task. This tells ClickUp that you want to connect this task to a different one. When you do this, ClickUp will open a small window or drop-down where you can search for the task you want to link. Use the search bar or browse through the suggested items until you find the task you're looking for. Next, click on the highlighted area where ClickUp is prompting you to choose what kind of relationship you want. Depending on your setup, you might see options like related, dependency-style relationships, or other custom relationship types your workspace has defined. Choose the relationship type that best describes how these two tasks are connected. For example, you might mark them as related if they belong to the same feature, or use a dependency type if one task can't be completed until the other is done. Once you've chosen that, you'll see the new relationship appear in the Relationships section of your task. You can always come back to this panel, click on Relationships again, and either add more links or adjust existing ones by selecting the highlighted relationship fields. That's all there is to it. By linking tasks with relationships, you make your projects more organized and give your team clear context about how work fits together.